Hello everyone, welcome to all my tutorial. So this topic I will cover here that what is aliases, column aliases. So everyone know that aliases means that one temporary name for the column heading. When our column heading is so big, that time how we'll do a small, how we'll give a small name. Everyone have nickname, so that nickname name is easy to call by everybody. So like that in SQL also, some columns are too big. That time it's we are irritating all the time to deal with that big heading names. So we will give one alias name, means one temporary name. So that temporary name means how we'll give. So that I'll show here. So this is my table. Here I get this. So on the first one, see, the first one is COD castle number. So here I it's all the time COD castle number writing is too difficult. So how I will give that short name with aliases. So how will use aliases here? Select, sorry, I did Control Z. Okay. Select, what is the field name is COD Cashion, CHA number from, this is our table. Okay, so we get COD Cashion number. So here what we will do, that Cass's number we need to do one small. So I will give one space and give here one CHASSIS. So now it's renamed. It's given a temporary name, that Cassis. What happened here? If we do like this, then everyone flexible and with that short names. Second one, it will be easy for the calculation approach. Not here, but when you are dealing with big operations, that time these aliases will help you. Next, third is here age is optional. If you can use age as well, you can use age, same result you will get. You can use age, else you cannot use age. Result in both the case you will get same. So when your aliases have space in between two names, suppose this is the Cassis. So I want Cassis number. I want an alias name that Cassis number, and both are not single word, these are both are double. So that time I will get error. See, I am getting error here. So how deal with that? We will do double quote. When alias name is not in single quote, that time not in both are different word, then we need to use that double quote. Okay, so here also as you can use, otherwise you can't use, that is optional. Okay, so hope everyone clear about aliases, column aliases, and how aliases are useful, and how we will deal with the double word aliases if that alias name contains space. So hope everyone clear, and please share as much as possible, and thank you all. If any doubt, please comment below.